What is Mabot? Mabot is the world's first plug-and-play robotic toy. The unique function of Mabot Plug and Play allows the components to be safely added or removed without turning the power off. Its massive capacity for creativity is beyond anyone's imagination. Children can DIY their own robots from simple to complex. The basic graphical programming software, Mabot Go, contains more than 10 recommended basic configurations, allowing for quick setup and control. In addition, users can build custom configurations according to their personal needs. What's even more powerful is Mabot IDE, the intermediate graphical programming software. Its straightforward interface and language can help children to learn basic programming concepts quickly and stimulate their interest in learning. The biggest surprise is that even with Mabot, the Legos in your home won't go deserted. Mabot is perfectly compatible with Lego. With the use of Lego and Mabot IDE, the users can extend Mabot's abilities and functions. Therefore, let's have fun combining possibilities. Mabot fully applies the educational concept of STEAM, cultivating children's hands-on creative skills, imagination, logical thinking ability, innovation, and teamworking ability. Mabot is the key to opening a wonderful world for your children. What would your child's dream be like?